The high and low windmill. Double kettlebells, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean one of the kettlebells up as we hold the other, press it overhead, turn our feet away from the kettlebell, and hips are gonna go underneath. I do not lock this one out because of how I'm built and the muscle that I have. It needs to stay open for that hip. But I do want to keep that arm going down inside, the inside of the lower leg. All right, so we're gonna clean them up. Whoops, this one goes down. This one's gonna go up. I'm gonna externally rotate. I'm gonna open up my leg. I'm gonna go down carefully. Now I can switch them. Open up the legs. I don't want to keep this one here because I'm not trying to push my hip sideways. I'm pushing my hip back and under. And there you go. So there is the high and low windmill. It's a way you can do a decent amount of weight on your torso, adductors, and all that stuff without having this super heavy weight. Because right there, that's 70 pounds that I did on my torso and only 35 that I did on my shoulder.